It's time to have some fun. No? Okay, then take a sip of your coffee and get set to explore your city for some adventures. Oh, and there are multiple tools to record every detail. All the links to the products will be in the description box below. This ROG Phone 6 Pro has a lot of cool features. It has a 6.70-inch AMO LED display with a crazy 165Hz refresh rate and a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform. The display on the back shows a variety of cool animations that tell you if the phone is charging, if there is an incoming call, if X mode is on, and more. The huge 6000 mAh battery lets you play for hours on end. The phone can handle the Cool 6 cooling systems, cools the USB in 3 different ways from every direction. The Air Trigger 6 uses ultrasonic sensor that supports gestures for control. That is better than console-based gaming. The ROG Phone has a triple camera system and a Sony main camera. Finally, the phone comes with a detachable cooler with 4 physical buttons and a thermoelectric AI cooling system to expand your gaming experience. If you work whenever and wherever you need to, at least you have your own place to work. This isn't a normal bag. Just open it up and take the laptop out of the middle pocket. If you need your phone while you're working, there is a pocket for it. Juice it up a little on the both sides, and there is enough space to organize all the essential you might need. Those panels are actually removable, so you can use them as separate organizer if you have too much stuff when you're making another masterpiece. And zip the bag's front pocket and put the adapters and cables in there. Don't forget the keys. Also, some of the pockets block RFID signals, so you won't even need a wallet. This folding hover was designed by engineers who used to work for Tesla and BMW. It is made in Germany and has a folding mechanism that is protected by a patent. If you don't know how to ride or relax, it will take you 2 to 5 minutes to get started. If there are stairs in the way, pick up the armor, it will fold itself. The hover is powered by a battery that can be fully charged in 2 hours. Each charge gives the hover 13 miles of range and a top speed of 10 miles per hour. Another cool thing is that it can carry up to 265 pounds on a huge 14-inch wheel. If you're still not comfortable with the balance, you can add an extension to the handlebars. When you go to the beach, you need a tent to give your skin a break from the sun. A Wolf-Wise pop-up tent is a good choice for this. All you have to do is unzip the pouch and take off the elastic band. You can have your own shelter in a matter of seconds. Inside, there is enough room for up to 3 adults. There are also pockets where you can keep things like a bottle of water. If you need more air, no problem. Finally, the tent is strong and light, which makes it easier to bring to a beach picnic. This strap is the one that will feed your always growing Apple family. It is small, incredibly portable, and doesn't take up much space on your desktop, but it can still hold up to 3 devices. Let's start with the iPhone, because it can be charged from any angle, which is wonderful news for people who frequently use their phones while working. Will the Apple Watch die? Give it a little push with an Apple Watch pad, and don't forget to use your AirPods now that everything is functional. This gadget, called Banana Loca, is perhaps one of the finest methods to have a healthy snack on the go. The key objective is to pick a banana that is straight as possible, remove the core, and then fill it with whatever filling you like the most, such as Nutella, peanut butter, or anything else, all without making a mess. Meet Sleep Ho-Ho, your bedroom butler, who will make sure you get a good night's sleep. What can it do? Well, pretty much everything. If the room is too hot, you can ask the robot to turn on the air conditioner. It works like Alexa. It's compatible with all smart devices. If there are any annoying mosquitoes, this guy will turn on the built-in mosquito repellent. You can't fall asleep, Sleep Ho-Ho will turn on the white noise, just the light, and start diffusing aroma oils to calm your nerves. The built-in AI will turn off all these features when it senses you've finally fallen asleep. There are 6 modes to help you sleep and 6 modes to wake you up, but you can change some setting to suit your needs. If you're having a party at night, Sleep Ho-Ho will make sure there is good music and enough light. Do you drink coffee first thing in the morning? This mobile espresso maker will make sure you can have your drink wherever you are. All you need is ground coffee and hot water. The grinder will take care of the coffee and the kettle will take care of the water. Are you sure that a good espresso needs jewelry accurate measurements? Okay, take the scale. Once you have done all the preparation, everything becomes very easy. Load the ground coffee into the Picapresso filter. Put all the parts together and add water. Now it's time to give that thing a little workout by pumping it a few times. This portable espresso machine has a patented pumping system that can reach up to 12 bars of steady pressure. That's the same pressure as some home espresso machines. That's it, your fuel is ready, and you can see that it's easy to use and its short length and ergonomic design make it great travel companion. If your campfire isn't bright enough to light your campsite at night, take this inflatable lantern with you. This climate light tube can be rolled up like a burrito when it's not being used. You want to use it? Just unroll it, a few breaths will do it. Connect this to any power source and hang it with the carabiner loop that comes with it. There are several sizes to choose from. The large and XL versions also have a dimmer switch to adjust the light. Have a great weekend outdoor. This PC has all kinds of ports to connect all the devices you might need. If you want to connect several monitors, that's fine. If you need a keyboard to work a little or say read the enemy land, that's fine too. The RGB light in the bottom will add a lot to the mood. M8S has an Intel N6005 processor and an Intel UHD graphics to back it up. The mini PC has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and up to 16GB of DDR4 RAM. To put it simply, this is a billion times more impressive than you might expect from a palm-sized PC. On top of that, you can customize the panel. Having an AirTag on your keychain is cool, but what if your AirTag loop had a couple of cool features that could help you out in a pinch? Well, here it is, and it's called the Beta Tag. It's keychain with a place for your AirTag right in the middle, as if it were a human body. But wait, these are the 4 most commonly used: screwdriver, an Allen key, and a knife. Here's a small drone with a lot of potential. It only weighs 9 ounces and can fit in your pocket thanks to its foldable arm. It has a powerful motors and a lightweight design, so it can go pretty fast and fly for up to 13 minutes on a single charge. The included controller makes it easier than ever to control everything. You can change the flight controls and camera settings depending on what you're filming. Want the drone to follow the object? No problem. If you're worried that this guy will kiss the nearest building, don't worry. The device automatically avoids all obstacles. The camera can shoot 4K content, which you can then send to your phone, edit in the ad, and share on social media. Not bad. If you're working or attending a lot of meetings, you need a good camera. This one from Allura Tech is plug and play, so you can mount it on your laptop and remove the physical shutter without having to worry about the sound or pic quality. The built-in mic makes audio crystal clear, and the built-in light combined with the face tracking feature will make it easy to see faces. You need to see and hear this simple fidget toy. There are magnets on both blades, and when you move the top plate, you hear a satisfying click. The toy is made of titanium, so it's very strong. And here is another high-end toy with a satisfying slider mechanism. One more thing, there is a button on top that you can press hard to get rid of stress and anxiety. The titanium body is beautiful, machined and polished, and it has some nice minimalist pattern. This fidget toy with the skull is the coolest one we've seen, but if you don't know how to play with it, move the icon to find out. This mini pay pixel artboard drawing tab will help you make another masterpiece. Whether you want to draw a character for a game or just a pic, take it out of your pocket, adjust the settings, and let your finger fly all over the touch-sensitive screen. If you need another color, you can choose it from a huge palette. If you need to zoom the image, you can do that as if it were your phone. As you can see, there are 6 quick access physical buttons. Now we can capture all the fun around you with the Nano panoramic ball camera. The cam has dozens of built-in lenses, so the ball can take 360 by 360 full spherical panoramic images with 108 megapixels. To do this, you can throw the ball into the air and press the shutter button or control it with a smartphone app. You can also use the included tripod or a stick.